My video will help you to remove the ransomware called LYNX, LYNX. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting it. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this LYNX ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. Then the ransomware appends this LYNX extension, LYNX. The ransomware then reveals a special ransom note, indicating that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus application such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and once it is successfully installed, start investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode, and in the trial mode only quick scan option is available. After you click on this start scan button, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So you need to be very careful not to skip this very important step. And after the antivirus database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will definitely begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Once again, don't cancel the update procedure. This is essentially important. And so then, at the end of this scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found on your computer during the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The summary of threats will tell you the information about all threats, their locations, and so based on that summary of threats, certain infections, of course, can be removed manually, but I would recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, you have anti-ransomware feature that will always protect your computer ahead of time from any other possible ransomware or malware or any other virus attacks. Now, I have to mention that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to effectively remove this ransomware and to protect all your data ahead of time. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your files. And with anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner, you can add folder on your computer that will always be under the protection from further ransomware attacks. So pay attention to the link in the description to this video. It will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.